fine. Insane playing bye bye bye. Then we found kiss. I was like, oh shit. Shit. Boy, I had to try. I can't even lie. Didn't really think you'd change my mind. But what can you do? I guess I needed to. Yeah, yeah. I'm feeling really into you. It's not like I wanted to, but I just wanna be with you tonight.
Ta-da! Writing Christmas cards. So, Christmas is coming and, well, actually we're like 16 days until Christmas. So I think it's about time to write Christmas card. Maybe it's too late, I don't know, but I'm trying my best. Let's get started.
Wait, what's your name again? Wait.
Just another night, I was feeling fine. Insane playing bye bye bye. Then we finally kissed. I was like, oh shit, shit. Boy, I had to try. I can't even lie. Didn't really think you'd change my mind. But what can you do? I guess I needed to. Yeah, yeah. I'm feeling really into you. It's not like I wanted to, but I just wanna be with you tonight.
It's RSM.
Wait, what's your name again? Wait.
Just another night, I was feeling fine.
Merry Christmas everyone! Hi! Happy holiday! So today is the Christmas day and as you know, like there's nothing open in the UK because of the Christmas day, so we're just gonna have a walk in the park, have a Christmas day walk.
When I first met you then, thought you were nothing. You were just sitting on the couch with that red jacket. We didn't say a word, who would have thought that this would end? The more we got to spend, my feelings growing. I didn't think I'd be a
We're in Ali Pali now. It's so pretty in here. There's a fountain. Yeah, it's just so green. It's nice to get some fresh air. Yay!
I just need you here. summer colognes got me falling to my knees. I don't need much, baby.
Ooh, my hair has gone crazy after the scooter ride. Okay, so we just got home after this Christmas Day walk around Ali Pali. It was so much fun. It was very nice to get some fresh air since we normally just spend most of the time inside. I also want to say Merry Christmas to you all. I wish you all have a wonderful holiday. I know this year is a bit different since I know a lot of you guys can't really go home for Christmas because you can't really do like mixing household, but I feel you guys. I think it's a very difficult and weird time for everybody this year, but I still wish everyone have a wonderful time, wonderful holiday. And if you really need someone to talk to, you can always DM me or even like give me a comment down below. I will read everything. I will always be here. So yeah, and then after that I believe we will cook some food because apparently we have stocked up quite a lot of food for the holiday season, so we'll just do some cooking again. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm wearing today for Christmas. So I'm wearing this knit dress. It's actually a dress, but it's too cold in here, so I'm just wearing like a black jeans and kind of like unbutton the bottom part, and I think it looks kind of cool. And currently in the background I'm playing a Christmas carol from Disney channel, but I kind of enjoy it because I mean it's about Christmas. It's a very festive movie. I used to watch it with my mom when I was younger, so yeah, loves it. Okay, another side dish that I'm gonna do is roast potato. So, what we need is some oil. We need some olive oil. Ooh, I think I'll just use all of them because why not? And then we need some butter. Just gonna use tons of them. Okay, now we need some parsley. Must be washed before used. Okay. It's Wellington beef.
Nice and
Nice
tight.
and neat. Okay, I'm just gonna grab some. I'm just gonna wash it. Be right back. It's been washed and I'm ready to just chop them into tiny pieces. And I'm just gonna add the potatoes. It's gonna mix them together. Can you give me some pepper and salt? Wow! Make it rain! That's enough. We can do some magic. Ooh. Ooh. Oh! I think I did a great job. Set the timer for like 1 hour. Perfecto. Okay. And now we just wait.
It's RSN.
know what it is inside? Daisy! Yes, we love Soho. Merry Christmas. Is it your writing? Yeah, I knew it. Oh, so cute. Hi, so it's editing Erika here, and I just realized I actually didn't include, or I didn't really show my Christmas gift in the clips, so I thought I'll just share in here with you. So I actually got a ring, which is in here, and also a pair of earrings from Daisy London from my boyfriend Hank. They're absolutely gorgeous. They're from the Estee Lauder collection, I believe. I hope I say her name right. They're very minimal. It's perfect for every day, so I would definitely wear them 24/7. Yeah, your turn.